everyone, this is part 2. Hi guys, welcome back to Emma Unicorn Sparkle 15. Today I have super bad news because I tapped a notification on accident and I tried to make another video, guys, but because my grandma was in here trying to do because her phone was not working, and I have a lot of notifications on my my Gmail in the folder. So I have like a Gmail app that people keep sending messages to me that I'm the best YouTuber, and that is not good. So we're gonna check out my more of my fidgets, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so next I'm gonna use the unicorn donut puppet. First, it's a unicorn donut puppet. I've got a lot of fidgets, so you will see all my fidgets pretty soon. But always, if you want to see more of my fidgets, go to emma.sparkle15.com to see my fidgets. Next, we have a Santa hat.
Why do you have the fan over here?
The other side. Now the next puppet is a mermaid tail. Here we have a big fidget spinner, but can't fit my hand. See, you can spin it. Yeah, it's a pretty cool fidget, guys. If you want to see me do it, you can see when I grow up. Next fidget is a remote control. Beep boop, beep boop. Next, I have a French fries. Big French fries. Guys, I hear that sound. So our babies, so Bo and Skylar are watching TV now, so you can hear like the baby first sounds. I watch baby first with them because CC can hear them watching TV. This is a pretty cool fidget case. Oh, maybe the babies are going to sleep by now. Okay. I have two little tubes. I have a orange one and a green one. Look at I want this. Hello. Next, it's the orange one. Okay, so I have a couple more fidgets left. I think next we're gonna do the octopus. Flip it down. You can flip it down. Yeah, it's easy. You just have to push it in. You have to push push it in a bit. We'll push. Let me push it out. Next, I have the stocking. Okay, I'll just have to grab a pillow to kneel it just for a second. Okay, I think I'm gonna use my grab something to kneel. 2 hours later. Okay, so we're gonna use, I think we're gonna use we only have a couple more left, but as the day goes on, we're gonna start how many more fidgets I have left. So, I only have a couple more. I'm just gonna dump them right here. See the dump? Oh, who on the floor, guys? Oh, where's my fidget spinner? It always gets on the floor. It's Sneaky. We're Sneaky. Call her. I'm Sneaky, but not Dinky. Ah, where did she go? Okay, guys. I can't do with this. Ow! Ouch! Whatever. I can't even lie. My fidget spinner is missing. Okay. I think I have to look for it in my pile. Guys, I think we could do last fidget, this fidget, because we're gonna do part 3. We're gonna do part 3 after we find my fidget spinner. Bye guys, see you in part 3.